compute daw the moment of the force about B in Newton meter. So, merong dalawang options para sa problem na to. But, first kong ituturo yung conventional method, and then yung next method is yung yung method ko. So, ito yung gagawin. By the conventional method, we can resolve this into components. Parang dalawang forces, di ba, magiging meron kang component going to the left, meron ka ding component acting upward. So, this is 300 cos 45. Ito naman, 300 sin 45. So, you can take moments using these forces. So, by the conventional method, the moment about B becomes 300 cos 45, this force. Let's use minus kasi it will cause a counterclockwise rotation about B. Multiply natin by 750. Yan. So, 750. And then, minus 300 sin 45, since it will cause another counterclockwise rotation. And then, we have to multiply this by the perpendicular distance going to B, which is, pag i-project natin yung line na yan, it will be this one. Yan. Sabihin natin, this is x. Now, the value of x is just going to be, diba, we can use the tangent relationship. So, tangent of 60 equals opposite, which is 750, divided by the adjacent side, which is x. So, x pala equals 750 divided by tangent of 60. Yan. So, 750 over tan 60. Yan. So, input natin minus 300 cos 45 times 750 minus 300 sin 45 times 750 over tan 60. This is 250954. Now, this is because naka-mm pa yung distances. So, I have to divide this by 1,000 pala para maging Newton M. Divide by 1,000. Yan. So, minus 250.95489. Sulat na lang natin lahat para ma-compare natin mamaya. So, this is already in Newton meter. Again, divide this whole expression by 1,000. Yan. Now, what's another way to solve this problem? Now, yung gusto ko is isang force lang yung gagamitin ko para makuha ko yung moment about B. So, paano yan gawin? We can consider the hypotenuse of this triangle as the perpendicular distance going to point B. Now, if gagawin ko yan, then I must have a perpendicular line sa line BC. Yan. So, we have this force. We have this line. This is perpendicular to BC. So, label lang natin. Yan. Perpendicular yan. Now, after drawing the perpendicular line, diba, this is 60. So, this must be 30 degrees. Now, if this is 30 and this is perpendicular, then this angle pala, yan, magiging, 60 degrees. Diba? 60 degrees. So, if I am to draw a line that's horizontal, then this is also perpendicular. So, this is also 30. Yan. Again, itong drawings mo sa angles, hindi na yan kailangan pag na-master mo na tong method na to. So, essentially, isang force na lang yung kailangan mo, and then, if na-master mo na to, automatic naman yung angles na masosolve mo. So, this is 30. Now, let's draw a line na parallel sa force natin. So, extend daw natin yan. Red na lang din. Yan. What if I will draw this line, and then, let me just use this angle. So, ano yung angle na yan? Now, with respect to the horizontal, this total angle is 45 degrees. Kasi diba, same inclination lang yan sila. Now, if this is 45 degrees, then ano yung remaining angle na yan? Diba, 45 minus 30. Yan yung angle na yan. So, this is 15 degrees pala. So, pag kukunin ko yung component ng force na to along this line, yan, then I can just multiply this singular force by the perpendicular distance na ito. Parang ganyan. So, mangyayari sa solution ko is yung moment about B will become minus 300 sine 45, kasi this will cause still a counterclockwise rotation. Hindi na sine 45 pala, sorry. Ito na. Diba, ito yung force ko, 300 newtons. I will take the component along this line. So, 300, multiply ko by cosine 15. Para makuha ko yung component niya dito. Kasi parang makaka-form na tayo ng triangle dito kasi. Parang ganyan. So, minus 300 cosine 15, and then multiply ko na lang by this distance. Yan. So, diba, that's the hypotenuse of the triangle. So, we can use the sine relationship. So, sine 60 na lang. Sine 60 equals opposite over hypotenuse. So, opposite is 750. Hypotenuse is unknown. So, H equals 750 over sine 60 pala. So, yan yung moment arm ko. So, 750 divided by sine 60. Yan. So, your solution can be converted into this pag alam mo yung components. Now, by the way, divide this by 1,000 para maging Newton M. So, try down natin. Instead of inputting this, dalawang forces and dalawang moment arms, we have 300 cos 15 times 750 over sine 60. Divide natin by 1,000. So, the same lang din yung sagot natin. Yan. 250.95489. By the way, nakalimutan ko yung negative. Yan. So, pwede ko lang yan i-copy. So, this may seem intimidating at first, pero pag na-master mo na yung angles, mas madali to. Kasi isang force na lang.